What up, guys? My camera is making weird noises. I think the gimbal is fucked up. Hey, what are we doing here? Where's the new one? Actually, so that's what we're changing, the alternator. Yeah. Get the gun. I think it's called alternator. This is 2004 Columbia Century. Oh my god. Inside is messed up. It's smelly. Smells like raccoon. From your truck?
Yeah.
Okay. What do I need? 14?
14 كيا إنجليز وحكجرا جارجي لا أنت ما لا كان إنجليز كان إنجليز وحكجرا سيت بيلت يا لوكيس جارجي فر سيت بيلت وأنا حاسس إذا ما تقانا وحير كعي هذا مرحيل اللي like أبوكا عارفين.
So I need to get a battery from here, and we put that old truck Columbia, so we'll see if it's gonna start. Let me turn this over on so I can have more juice on the battery. This is 2007 Volvo. This is a stick. I don't know why you have the engine stop light on. Oh, maybe that's the air. Oh, today is the weekend. I will call it a lazy work day. We're here at the, basically this is where I park my truck. And we're gonna work on that old truck so I can sell it. I need to put seat. I'm gonna change the alternator. Yeah, the alternator. Not an alternator, it's called what is it called? A little thing that goes on top of the starter. Called, I forgot the name. We're gonna change that so the truck will start with a key. So maybe I'll sell it, I'll put it on Facebook, or maybe I will show people. I just want to get rid of that. We've been sitting there for the last 4 years, so I gotta sell it. Maybe enjoy that money. What's going on? Alright, close it, let me come back. Let me open it. Yep, check this out. I will take this too and put it on the other truck. Then you turn it off. So let me take this two out. These two batteries. So I can put it on the other truck and see if we can start it. Wow. I think the batteries are easy access. So should I open this? I think I need to. It's the minus. Take this out. Maybe put it somewhere here. I guess I need two hands. Oh my God, it's too heavy. I need two hands. Let's see if I can. Okay. I'm too weak. And this. Whew. So I got both of them out. So this goes. to work on the tires too. So which one am I taking out?
Huh?
Just any two?
No, look at this.
These two?
The last two. This one is easy.
Even the batteries of this truck is easy access
Actually,
to.
take this out because this one is easy. Kind of old.
So take this one and this one out.
No. One محل لو محل بدلي.
I thought you said two.
No هلا.
Okay.
لا حب ما صبح.
Yeah.
زكي كان لي يجي له وشد معناته أساسا ما. هل حب اللي يجي له وقع ورا. ده سوا هل حب عسيب وسوق قدره.
Okay. Okay, so we need one battery, that's it. Let me get the tool. So I thought we needed two batteries, but we actually need one to start it. So I don't need this. I'll just put it back. Man, it's too hot here. It's like 80 degrees, maybe 90, who knows. Did you open it already? Where's the old one?
This is what's broke. The spring is not touching.
But this is why. You see that? What is this called, Sam?
Solenoid.
Yeah, it's called the solenoid. Now I remember. You see the spring in there? It broke. This is a starter solenoid. So we got a new one. How much was that?
$16.
Oh, that's cheap. So I thought it was something like $200. So we're putting a new one, and then we're gonna start the truck and see. Let me open the battery then.
I'm almost done.
Okay. Let me do it quick. Where's the tool I had?
Use the own tool that
Let me use this one. So my camera is getting hot. So let me use my two hands. I don't know if you guys can see it, but whoa. I'm almost there.
Yeah, that one. Look at it. Hit it. You can lift it out more. It's covering again.
This one?
You have to.
It's open now.
While you're turning, you have to go. نبه حق عنتنا كله. That's why I prefer the.
Okay, I took this out. This out. Should I take it like this or have to open this?
No,
one?
lift up.
Oh, it was easy.
Gelin kapısı. Middle.
That's in the middle.
No, really good.
So do we need to charge it? Only this one is going to start. Okay.
The last time class like
No, we need this one.
Why you cut it?
I didn't cut it because you tied it. It was too tight. It came out. I'm just going to put it like this.
No.
Do you have a knife or pocket knife?
Bahal lagu sameeyaa baa haysta xag gaariga ku jira hada. This is maybe the waxa laga yaabaa inuu yahay kan ACM ka.
Okay. Are you sure you don't need to charge it?
We'll see.
That was a quick fix.
Alhamdulillah, qoraxda Ilaahay laga hoos uga gelay. Inta ma ka dhameeyno ma aragtay?
Oh my God.
Inta ma ka dhameeyno waxa aadeynaa bahalkay. Baaba dharka waxa uu soo dhaqeynaa laandriga oo guriga.
Oh my God, you see there's a... There's liquid. Are you sure it's not the battery acid?
Oh, acid.
I feel like this is acid.
It is acid. Injury way. Yeah,
I'm recording. I'm talking about nonsense.
Problem. Come on. You have to make this bigger.
I don't think that's the ACM or something. Don't open it.
First, I'm gonna get on the door.
Why don't you put this in your truck?
I'm not going to put a dead battery in my truck.
I thought it was going to help, but you have 3 good ones and you put...
You never put a one dead. It first have all the batteries. So if you have one good battery, Halka's battery is gonna work good, but it's gonna fuck out the rest of the batteries. Because you have one battery. Go and turn it on.
Do you have a starting fluid?
So try it, if you can't, the whole idea of the try is not to start.
Man, this is...
This is the start.
Oh my God. Why does he do that though? This is his software. Okay. It's always okay.
At least we want to see if it cranks. So that means the solenoid is working.
Okay, it's only 8. Why did the voltage says 18?
See if it cranks.
Let's see, man. Yeah, now it cranks. That was the problem. Wow. Okay, let's charge it. Do you have a... Let's charge it.
Second bedroom subbase.
Yeah, it's out.
Bring it. Let's do the second battery.
Okay, I'm just gonna...
See for the other corner.
Man, it cranks. That little solenoid was a problem. Let me open this. Come on now. You see how the truck crank? The solenoid was bad. Is it called starter solenoid? It was messed up. So should I open this one too? I need to take this one out.
Yeah, that one too.
I need a socket in this one.
Socket coqueiras.
Get a socket. It's 14, it's always 14. What is this one? This is not it. Say less. Yep, now we can.
Remember this.
Can put it.
كنا ذاك الرجال يا كم كان شي سنة بيع سنة.
Which one is the one that you bought? This one?
ده واحد green paint.
That was something. Wait. That was easy peasy. Use this socket.
That's other than basic. I need two of this.
Where's the other one?
Use that. No, use this. Oh.
Okay, can you start the top, please? I think you need to go on top. Let's see. Whoa! Do you have a starting fluid? Maybe hit the gas or something. Where can you? I don't know where.
This kind of انت انجر وين كسر. Like animal tick.
Looks like it's about to start. We only put two. We opened two batteries from the Volvo and we put it here. It looks like you have enough juice. So I'm trying to get rid of this truck. It's 2004 Columbia Century. It's been sitting here for like, they already did engine rebuild. It's been sitting here for the last, was it 3 to 4 years? I mean, I think the injector, what is it called? Injector cabs were bad, so we already changed it. I mean, it was putting antifreeze in the engine, in the motor, so we changed the injector cabs. Now it's good. So trying to sell it. Put it two new. We're gonna put in 2 seats, clean inside. There's a raccoon living here. Okay, let me see the. Oh, you're gonna start it? You start it. Let me put the starting fluid, so I can capture what kind of smoke we're gonna see. I think we're gonna see a lot of black smoke. Let's see. There's no black smokes. It sounds good. I don't see black smoke. Oh. You see how messed up it looks? Yeah, it smells bad. See all this stuff came out. Let me see if the air is gonna build. I don't even know if the AC works. Let me turn it on and see. That's the oil pressure is normal. The water is still cold. The air pressure is building up. The primary and the secondary. Let me see if the flashes works. Yep, it works. Even the AC works. What are we doing? It looks like the AC works. You wanna get the seat? Are we gonna take this one out? Let's get the other two one over there. Do you have the cover? Okay. Man, it's dirty as fuck. Oh, the air is building up, you can see. Let me see the airbags. Yep, even the airbags is going up. Look, still. The compressor is not working. Why did you turn it off? Okay. Let it warm up for like 30 minutes. So this is what we're trying to do. He's trying to take 2 seats from this Peterbilt and put it on in that truck. This truck has been sitting here for the last 7 years, I think, or maybe more. So we're gonna try to take 2 seats from here and put it there. See, this seat looks better than that one, the one that in there. What? Maybe we're gonna take this. You see all these tires? All these 4 tires, we're gonna take it out and put it in the other truck. It's not gonna be hard. We're just gonna.
We have to take down, put it back.
Which?
The
Oh, we have to take that cover.
put it in
At least let's clean it. Let's take it.
You wanna clean it? Let's go.
You wanna take the thing?
The hardest part is the other seat.
Oh, we're just gonna take 1 seat from this truck?
Because we want to dispose of the seat, not that. We're going to remove the Volvo seat. It's a good time if you want to sell something.
Oh my God.
You use the seat.
Okay, pick it up from this side. I can't believe we only needed 2 batteries. It's time we do the cleaning part. So maybe I'll turn the camera off. We gotta clean inside. We have to take all this dirty stuff out. You see, I need 4 tires. I need to take those 4 tires from that pit and put it here. Let me see if the airbag went up. Oh, it went up. Let me see the other ones. Yeah, they're all up. This one is up, as you can see it. This one is up. So I'll try to get rid of this truck. Who knows how much I'll get it for? Maybe 8,000, 9,000. I don't know. I don't think I'll get it more than 10,000. I don't know, but finger crossed, we'll see. I know my body sold it is Columbia for 8,400. So I will see how much will this go. Maybe 7,000, who knows? It depends who's buying it. Okay, it's time to clean. Oh, it's time we put that seat on. I just want to put the seat on. Okay, what do you need? Okay, Okay guys, let me turn off the camera so we can put the seat clean and then I will show you guys. Adios. Okay guys, let me show you what we did here. So you see, it looks better than before I show you guys. You don't see all the wires. We put this already. All the messy wires is hidden now. What? water temperature is all right. It's actually going 190. The oil temperature is good. That's the air. We have the ABS light on, the tractor ABS light. Let me hold it for you. He's sweating like crazy. Wait. Let me go outside though. Yep. We don't have the original bolts, so we're just gonna put screws. Man, what happened there? It's harder than I thought. Maybe here is, yeah, just one. Maybe put on this side too, this cover. Or some, no, I think it's okay. Leave it like that. I don't think you need one. You don't need one. Maybe you do. So we need a cover for here. Already put it. So the track was on for the last hour. We're still checking the temperature, the oil temperature and everything. I didn't know it was harder than this, like this. That was easy. Are you gonna take this one out? Maybe put it here. Try to put one here. Just try it. See, it looks firm. Man, I'm sweating. 90 degrees. let's see. So we gotta put this seat on. I guess we're gonna make a new holes here. This one is messed up. Only this one is good. So we did what we did. We walked for 2 hours, maybe 3. It's time to go home. It's too hot to be here. I just cool myself with cold water.